If your nails peel the minute they grow, which holds you back from growing the beautiful, feminine, natural nails that you desire, then my name is Ashley and I'm a personal nail coach who has coached over 100 women in growing and transforming their natural nails. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the real reason that your nails are peeling that no one talks about, a simple method you can do to prevent future peeling, and finally, a product you can use today to instantly fix the current peels on your natural nails. Starting off with the real reason your nails are peeling. Now, most of the internet is going to tell you that your nails are peeling because you have a rare disease or a vitamin deficiency. But the most common cause of nail peeling that I see when working with clients is water damage. And let me explain the most common way this happens. So imagine for a second that your nails were just like this balloon, and every single time this balloon was in water, it would swell, and when it was out of water, it would dry and shrivel. And for whatever reason, you decide to keep putting this balloon in and out of water. So it would swell and shrivel and swell and shrivel, and all the shape change would weaken the balloon, which caused it to pop. And this is exactly what happens to your nails when it's constantly in and out of water with constant hand washing. It swells and shrivels and swells and shrivels, and all the shape change weakens your nails and causes it to peel. Now, the best way to prevent future nail peeling is not to stop washing your hands, please don't do that, but instead to make sure that you replace the moisture your nails lost after the hand wash. And here's exactly how you do that. Now, right after you wash your hands, you're going to apply some nail growth oil from the base to the tip of your nails to moisturize them. You are then going to go in with a thick cream to lock in that moisture. And this takes only 15 seconds, and this is going to keep the moisture in your nails balanced so they're not constantly stripped after each hand wash. But if you don't believe that this works, here are photos of my client's nails. She washes her hands like 10 times a day because she's a germaphobe. And as you can see, there was a lot of peeling and damage in the picture here. But once she uses oil and cream consistently after each hand wash, her nails are a lot smoother and are actually growing. And if you're curious about the nail growth oils that I now make for my clients, then check the link in the description. Now that you know how to prevent future nail peeling, here's what you do to instantly fix the current nail peels on your nails. It's using this OPI repair mode, and let me show you exactly how. So I'm starting off with clean, bare nails. No nail polish, no gel, nothing, completely bare. I'm then going to take the OPI serum and apply it completely to my nails and allow it to absorb. And what this does is that it acts like an invisible paste and holds your current nail peels in place so they don't get worse and turn into tears. And you can see the difference it makes in the photo here. Now you apply the OPI repair mode twice a day for 6 days. And this takes just 15 seconds. Now, if you're curious about where to get this OPI repair mode, check the link in the description.